Oh, good morning everyone. How you all doing? And no, before you ask, I haven't got a hangover. Don't do that. Woke up with a bit of a headache this morning. Oh, literally have no idea what's in store for today. Because it's literally done nothing but rain all night, and it's still raining. It is literally relentless. It hasn't even stopped for a minute. So I have no idea what's in store for today. I know we all want to get showers. Yeah, I've had my cup of tea, drank my tea, so I have to have another one to wake us up. Kids though, they were up dead early this morning. I mean, we didn't all go, well, Harvey went to sleep first, but no, everyone else didn't go to sleep till about 1 o'clock this morning. And then they're all up at 20 to 8. Tina's over there. Hiya. Harvey's here, you could probably hear him. Down there, Harvey.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
And Kay and Andrew's there in the bedroom doing something.
Put balloons in there.
Oh, they're putting the balloons in there. Yeah, I know we've got to get tidied up a little bit because where it's been raining that much and we've been in and out, obviously all the floors filthy now, so we've got to do a bit of clean up today. But no, Mel and that's still asleep, so not sure what we're doing. But just take it one step at a time. But obviously, I will say now, if this is obviously the part 2 of this, I'll mention, you know, that hope you're all okay. Welcome back as well, if this is obviously part 2, because I don't know where I'm going to split it in between. So, but obviously it's a new day. It's Saturday. What's the date today?
22nd.
22nd.
That's a big day.
So, but no, I'll turn camera around and quickly show you out the window. Oh yeah, because I can't get out there, mate, you can see on the window all the spots and that, and you can see the clouds there as well, but that's down that side of the campsite there. They've got all statics this side, and then you've got your tour in there. There is a tent actually over there somewhere, and there's a pod. But you can see, like, there's a load of caravans, there's some motorhomes, but you know what, this will probably be a beautiful campsite in summer with these trees that come down the middle. You see the hill there? We've got sheep in the field over there. Not sure if you can see them anywhere. No, they've all gone from over there.
Show Mel's caravan.
Yeah, I'm doing that later anyway. Mel's caravan's obviously there next to us. They're all still asleep. But no, so far, lovely campsite apart from the weather, but you can't predict the weather, can you? That's the only problem. We've had some nice weather the past couple of weeks. We come away and this is what we get, rain. It's happened to us on a number of occasions that we've gone away for the weekend, it's done nothing but rain. I remember that time when we went to Southernest, which obviously we're taking yous with us next time we go. We are going sometime this year, but we went in that was in the new tent, weren't it?
Yeah.
And we pretty much near enough got flooded out. I can't. Did we just go for 3 nights?
Yeah.
Because they put us on a pitch, didn't they? And it had a dip in the middle. So we stayed there. I think the first day was fine, but I think one specific day it done nothing but rain. And then underneath the tent, you can feel that a puddle was made in the groove that was in the middle, and I couldn't believe it. Then the awning as well. All the water come down from there, where obviously because we sit in the awning, couldn't sit in the awning because it was basically flooded. I'm a bit close there, ain't I? If you can hear some noises, it's the kids playing. But no, I don't know what the plans are today. Obviously, I said I've got to show you around Mel's caravan. Oh, they had one. We got the heater on because that's the only thing with this one. With Mel's caravan, it looks like hers is slightly older than this one.
Right,
this seems.
Oh,
Oh, that's right then. This one feels more modern than Mel's, but what she's got, she's obviously, because we've only got one of them heating systems in here. But in Mel, she's got like little heaters in the bedrooms and that. We haven't. That's all we've got for this big caravan, and it's bigger than hers. So they could have done with putting some heaters or something in the bedrooms. But it's nice and warm and toasty in here now. That's been on for a bit.
Here, we haven't got them. What Chris has got?
Oh, there you are, Chris. Here, show us. Bring them in. No, come here. They've even got some of your, what do they call them?
Twongs out there or something.
I don't know what they're like, twongs, but everyone calls them all different names, don't they? But anyway, here, look, they've got some.
They've even got a masher.
You know what? They got a lot more stuff than we were expecting, ain't they? What time did it start raining?
It's been raining all week now.
No, that's what I'm saying. It wasn't raining when we first got it. It's got to be about an hour after we got it. So say about 7 o'clock. So it's been raining since basically about 7 o'clock last night, and it hasn't stopped. Not even a break in it. Obviously, like we say, we're in the Yorkshire Dales, we're up in the hills, so it's going to be worse up here. But we're coming into spring. Where's the spring? Where's the sun? I mean, it looks like the sun's out because it's obviously it's my phone. It makes it look brighter than it actually is, but it's not. It's proper dull. I'm not sure if you can see anything. Hang on. Well, you can see on the window there. You can see that big cloud, yeah, big cloud up there, just above the hill. Oh, I'm just worried actually because obviously we're parked here, and as you can see we're parked on the grass because there's nowhere else to park. So I'm hoping it's not too wet, but I did feel last night when we come back, because obviously, and don't get me wrong everyone, I only had the one drink, and I thought because normally I have a Guinness. And I thought, oh, I might try something different. So we had a, obviously, Dan and Mazzy from Treble Trolls. Easy anyway, he drinks these, he don't have anything else really, is John Smith's. And don't get me wrong, first time trying it, I didn't think it's too bad, but it just seems funny that I had that drink, come home and I had a Budweiser, but then this morning I woke up with a headache, so I'm not sure if it's a John Smith's though, obviously, because I'm used to Budweiser and Guinness and obviously the Red Stag whiskey, so I'm not sure if it's because of that, because I went to bed fine, didn't feel tipsy, didn't see anything, not on 2 drinks anyway. Takes a lot for me to get drunk, you know, because I've got a lot of meat on me. So not sure, but literally I'm still half asleep. I mean, what time are we on? It's now 9:15, so kids have basically already been up 2 hours. I was hoping for a little bit of a lay until about 9 o'clock, but no, they decided to get up early. But no, so all I can do at the minute is basically catch you all in a bit, because Mel's still asleep, it's raining, not really anything to do at the minute. So we're going to have another cup of tea and then probably crack on. Tidy up, or get showers or something, or the other way around, shower and tidy up, I'm not sure. So anyway, you all take care and we'll see you in a bit. Right, we'll just quickly nip into the shop. I'm going to quickly show you the entrance as we go. So I'm going to do one as we get exiting the campsite and on the way back. So I'll turn camera around so you can see. So here we are, we're just coming out now. Obviously this is the caravans I showed you earlier through the window. That's the other side of the site. Obviously I'm not on any normal roads, people, so we're on private land. So obviously I'll put my phone away before we get on the road anyway. So you're coming round here through these gates, which is pretty much at the bottom. Sorry if it's a bit shaky, it's bumpy this road. Got the sheeps in the field here, see if we can catch them on the way out. Wonder if there's any in this other field at the top. You can see all these little speed bumps here, that's what I keep hitting. That house there whoop. That house there is basically, I think, where you check in, or for inquiries, you just knock on the door there. You've got sheep there in the field opposite. Look at the big views we've got here, the fields up there and the hills. Look, well, I've got a bad bit here. Actually 3 bumps in one. You can see it is quite narrow, so obviously if you've got someone coming the other way, someone's going to have to reverse to a point where you can get through. You can see some sheep there, look. Birds all flying about. There's a couple of sheep here, look, actually. You can see them there. Little babies, look. And then obviously the main entrance is here. Car coming, so I'll have to be quick. And you come onto the main road. So that's your main road you come down on. You come in that way because you cannot get that way. It is very, very narrow, so I wouldn't come that way. Make sure you come this way. You want to see the houses, so as you come in it'll be on the left, which will show you on the way back. So this is the village. Obviously I've just pulled up. That's where you can park your car. Obviously in summer some people do park on the grass, but you got obviously you got one pub there, another pub there. Gift shop, there's a post office where Tina's just going over there towards that way. But look at the views you've got here, it's gorgeous. We looked online actually and looked at the campsite, and it did. I think they must have old pictures, so it didn't look that good, but now we're there, it's lovely. It does say on that board there that it's a voluntary contribution for the car park, so it's like £2 a day or £1 for half the day. No overnight camping though, so you can't stay here overnight. It's voluntary, so it's entirely up to you, but it's just to help maintain it. But it is a lovely little village. Obviously the pub we went to is just that white building here behind this one. That's where we went obviously last night. But it's a lovely little place. Very small though, so I mean if you've got kids, you may have to find, there's another little church there, you can see. Think of things, I mean, we're only here for 2 nights, and as you can see, it's raining again. It did stop for a bit, and now it's raining again. I mean, it's starting to get quite muddy at the site now where we are. So I'm trying to stop the kids from running back and forward on the same spot so it don't get too muddy. But it is a lovely little village, but like I say, it's very, very small. There is a park here for the kids, and it's just it's not far from the site for walking distance, but there is no parking there at all. It's literally down a single track road, so you won't be able to park there, and it is quite a tight road, so just be careful how you get on there. You can walk to it from the site though. And I think from the site to this little town village bit here, there's a gift shop here actually as well. It's a 7-minute walk, or if you've got a car and if it's raining like this, it's 2 minutes in the car, but it's not far at all. I mean, I would film how far it is, but obviously it's a main road and I'm not holding the camera whilst I'm driving, and Nick and Tina don't want to, so. But, no. It's so far to what we've seen. Obviously we're only here for 2 nights, so we can't really explore that much, and plus I can't really do a lot with my leg at the minute. But I'm trying my best for you all. It makes a change instead of being stuck in the house though, so we're enjoying ourselves. That's another thing as well. Tina's just gone to shop because I can't get out today. My leg is absolutely killing me today. But I took some tablets, so hopefully they'll kick in. I think there's another pub just here actually as well. I'm not sure if it's a pub or hotel, but there is like hotels above the pub, because I think there was at the one we went to last night. But yeah, so if you fancy coming to Yorkshire Dales, come and check this little village out. It's a lovely little place. So I'll see you when we get back to the entrance of the campsite, so you can see. Ready?
Yeah, it's on.
We're just coming through now to the entrance. So this is slightly narrow, but it's not too bad. You're still getting back home or caravan down here. And you see this sign, you're literally coming into here, because it is easily missed. So what I'm going to quickly do, I want to get a quick picture of this for a thumbnail for the entrance. If I can, hang on, let's see if I can get one with the entrance and that. Right, do you want me to take over a minute? Right, let's have a go, wait for the window wiper. And there. We'll get one more. Right, it's still recording, there we go. So Tina's holding the camera at the minute whilst we're driving through, just so you can see what it's like from this angle. But like I said, you have got people coming in and out on here, and it is very narrow. So in the summer, obviously if someone comes round now, you'll be able to pull in this bit that's right in front where the grass, so you can let each other through. This site's obviously got 5 mph speed limit with CCTV as well. There's some sheep there, look bud, get them on camera if you can. They've got babies there, hey little calves. Oh yeah, another bub. This is the only thing, is these bumps here, and then obviously when you pull up here you'll see these cars here on the right hand side. That is the house where you can get inquiries from, but if you've pre-booked, I think you can come straight on, and I think someone actually comes to you. I'm not entirely sure, because when we turned up last night, obviously they went home at 5 o'clock, so obviously Mel was here before us. Oh, a little baby calf there getting alert. So as you can see, this site now is on the right hand side, so you drive all the way down, right up to that gate, and then you just pull in, and obviously, hopefully if you've got a booking, they'll tell you what pitch to go on anyway. If you're coming in a van or obviously caravan, they should tell you which pitch you're on. It also takes tents as well, everyone, so it's not just that caravans and motorhomes and campers that take tents as well. Oh, I don't know where this person's going. You're going in there. Lovely little dog. And this is the site that we're on. They've got quite a few stakes on. We're obviously in the rainbow static, because it is starting to get quite a bit muddy now as well, so I'm having to take it easy that we do not get stuck on here. So just keep it going as we're driving in. And we're back in. We're back. So we'll see you all in a bit. Ta-da!